Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox. This experience is not accessible because it's unrated. This error pops up when you're trying to enter a Roblox game that hasn't been given an age rating by the developer. Roblox recently introduced a feature where all games or experience are assigned a content rating like all ages 9 plus or 13 plus. If the game you're trying to play doesn't have a rating, Roblox automatically blocks it for accounts set to under 13 years old. Why? It's part of Roblox's effort to keep the platform safe for younger players. So how do you fix this? Well, the easiest solution is to make sure your Roblox account is set to the correct age. Go to your account settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner and then selecting settings. If it says you're under 13, Roblox will restrict your access to certain games, including unrated ones. If you made a mistake when creating your account and set the wrong birth date, unfortunately, Roblox doesn't allow you to change your age. Once it's set, in this case, you'll need to create a new account with the correct birth date, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.